using complete square method, kwanza tuna make sure tumetoa hii 6 hapa. How do you remove the coefficient of x square? You divide by 6 every term, you divide by 6. So tunaenda kuwa na x square minus 13 over 6x. This term, take it on the other side, we are going to have itakuwa -1 because hii itakuwa 1, itaenda hapa ikuwe -1. The second thing you remember this concept that b over 2 square equal to c. You remember that? You should remember that. So that's what you are going to use here. So x square minus 13 over 6. This is 13 ni b over b yenyewe ni 13 over 6, lakini chini kuna 2, so times 2. Hapa chini kuna hii 2, sawa. B 13 over 6 ni b, lakini b iko over 2, na hiyo over 2 tunapiga hapa times 2, ndio inakuwa hivyo x. So what we have here, we are going to add in both sides. This one will be 169, the square of this, over 144. We go to the other side, -1 plus 169 over 144. 169 over 144. So this one inaisha because tumeongeza both sides. Now, but remember this one is squared. Remember that one is squared. Now next, because this one and this one are squared, tunachukua square moja, tunasema x minus 13 over 12, tunachana na x square, sawa, is equal to -1 plus 169. You use your calculator, you will get it is 25 over 144. Use your calc, you will get it is that way. So now the next thing we need now to remove this square here. Hii square tuna remove hapa by square rooting both sides. So tunaenda kufanya x minus 13 over 12 square will be equal to positive minus square root both sides 25 over 144. Tunaenda ku square root both sides ndio tutoe hii square hapa. So we are going to remain with x minus 13 over 12 is equal to plus or minus 5 over 12. The square root of 25 over 144 is this. So x itakuwa, hii itaenda on the other side, itakuwa 13 over 12, itakuwa positive, ikifuka hii cosines itakuwa plus or minus 5 over 12. So x itakuwa ni 13 plus 5 over 12, itakuwa 2 over 12. Itakuwa 13, that is 13 plus 5, itakuwa ni 18. Itakuwa 18 over 12, or 13 minus 5 itakuwa ni 8 over 12. So we hatuwezi acha answer namna hiyo. We can simplify 6 here. 6 hapa itakuwa mara 3. 6 hapa itaenda hapa mara 2. Sawa? Or 4 here 2, 4 here 3. So we can simplify it like that, and that is the values of x. Given that vector A is 2p minus 3 over 4q, where p is this and q is this, find column vector A. So we have been told that A is 2p, but p is into -3, 4, and then minus 3 over 4 of q, and our q is 16, 4. 16, 4. So you multiply 2 times -3 is -6, -8, minus this times that is going to be 12. This times this is going to be 3. So negative 6, negative 12 itakuwa negative 18. This minus this is going to be 5, and that is vector A. Vector A, that is the answer for that. Vector A is equal to that. Simple as that.